Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today, I will show you how I whip my hair and skin butter. Without wasting time, let's just get started. I've got here 200 grams of mango butter. This is pure unrefined. 200 grams of shea butter. This is unrefined as well. Finally, I'll add 200 grams of cocoa butter. I'll put the solid oils in a pan. Then I'll heat it on low fire. The heat is just to melt it up. It doesn't need to boil. I'll get a big bowl and pour in the melted butters. Next, I'll pour in 150 ml of virgin coconut oil. I'll add about 5 tablespoonfuls of hemp oil. Finally, 2 tablespoonfuls of argan oil. I'll come in with my hand mixer and whip it up till it turns fluffy. This will take about 5 minutes on high speed. I must say all these oils are great for hair and skin. You can add some essential oil to add a little bit of flavor to it. So after whipping for about 5 minutes, this is what we have here. I'll get a clean container and disinfect it with some rubbing alcohol. Then I'll transfer the whipped butter into the container. You can store this in your bathroom cabinet and use it whenever you want to. When you use it on your face, you just need a pea amount because a little bit goes a very long way. You can mix it with your favorite skin or body lotion, especially during the winter seasons or when the weather is so dry. This will trap in the moisture and give your skin that natural glow. It prevents dry, chapped skin and also makes your skin very elastic. If you want to prevent your hair from falling, put a pea amount of this daily in your hair. This helps soften up your hair and make styling very easy. So this is it, guys, and I hope I did help you. I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.